Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with YouTube Content ID tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with YouTube Content ID tools, begin by logging into your YouTube channel. Navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Settings option. From the Settings menu, select Channel. Next, click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down to find the Content ID section. You'll need to apply for access to the Content ID system if you haven't already. Fill out the application form with the required details about your channel. Once submitted, wait for YouTube to review your application. If approved, you will receive an email with authentication instructions. Follow the instructions provided in the email to set up your Content ID. Log back into your YouTube Studio dashboard. Return to the settings by repeating the previous navigation steps. Access the Channel tab again. Click on Advanced Settings to revisit the Content ID section. Now, you will see additional options available for setting up your Content ID. Select the Authenticate button to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your account credentials for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation of your successful authentication. You can now start using YouTube Content ID tools for your channel. Regularly monitor your Content ID dashboard for any matches or claims. Ensure to familiarize yourself with the policies regarding Content ID for best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.